Congress has now cried a BJP conspiracy behind the drama in Rajasthan, claiming that they have proof which establishes BJP's role in trying to topple the Gehlot government. Addressing the press today, Congress leader Randeep Singh Surjewala there read out transcripts from audio tapes, which we cannot really verify, where the Union Minister Gajendra Shekhawat is heard discussing the toppling of the state government with MLAs who are now camped with Sachin Pilot. Surjewala announced that Congress has suspended the two pilots' aides. In fact, MLA Bhanwarlal Sharma and Vishwendra Singh, who were cabinet ministers in Gehlot government. In fact, the Congress has now demanded that a probe be launched in the alleged conversations between the union minister and the rebel Congress MLAs. They also want the centre's role to be investigated in the case and also trace other MLAs who the BJP has tried to contact.
20, 25, 30, 35 करोड़ रुपए में विधायकों की निष्ठा और विश्वास खरीदकर राजस्थान की 8 करोड़ जनता के जनमत से चुनी हुई कांग्रेस सरकार को अस्थिर करवाने और गिराने के षड्यंत्र की बात जगजाहिर हुई, सामने आई। भारतीय जनता पार्टी की भूमिका विधायकों की खरीद फरोख्त में कई बार प्रश्न चिन्ह के दायरे में आई। दोस्तों, कल शाम जो दो सनसनीखेज व चौंकाने वाले ऑडियो टेप मीडिया के माध्यम से सामने आए हैं, इन टेप्स में तथाकथित तौर से भारत सरकार के कैबिनेट मंत्री श्री गजेंद्र शेखावत जी, श्री भंवरलाल शर्मा जी जो कांग्रेस के विधायक हैं, वे भाजपा नेता संजय जैन जी की तथाकथित बातचीत सामने आई। इस तथाकथित बातचीत में पैसों की सौदेबाजी, विधायकों की निष्ठा खरीदने और राजस्थान की सरकार गिराने का षड्यंत्र सामने आया है।
Now let's quickly cut across to our reporters joining us live. Dev Ankur Vadhavan joining us from Jaipur, Anand Patel from Delhi to tell us a little more. Dev, take us through this tiff between Randeep Surjewala and the Sachin Pilot's camp here. It is quite evident that the Gehlot camp not really willing to give any respite to Sachin Pilot and his team. They've pulled out some audio conversations, again one that we cannot verify, but on the audio conversations they're showing very clearly how Pilot camp members having conversations with BJP members, alleged conversations, even money exchange being discussed in a bid to topple the Gehlot government. Take us through these allegations. How far have they come and how far can they go to ensure disqualification of Sachin's camp?
Well, the focus of today's press conference held by Randeep Singh Surjewala was primarily to hit out at the BJP. Surjewala mentioned that Gajendra Singh Rathod, Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, a union minister, and Jodhpur MP was involved in the entire conspiracy that was hatched to topple the Ashok Gehlot government. And he also mentioned that it is not just Shekhawat at whose doorsteps the conspiracy stops. The link to this entire conspiracy goes right to the top. He also mentioned that we have proof of the audio tape recordings of the conversations between Bhanwarlal Sharma, Vishwendra Singh, who is the former tourism minister, Sanjay Jain, a BJP leader, and Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, clearly hinting at the entire gamut of conspiracy that was hatched. When he was asked as to why only Vishwendra Singh and Bhanwarlal Sharma have been suspended from the party's primary membership and not Sachin Pilot, he said that we have acted against those people against whom we have proof. Also, he once again reiterated that the doors of the Congress are open for Sachin Pilot. If he wants to make a return to the party's mainstream, he is welcome to do that. If there are any differences, they can be ironed out. So clearly this hints at a certain softening of stand on Sachin Pilot as far as party is concerned. I also questioned him as to what is the status regarding the complaint that was filed against 19 Congress MLAs who have turned to be rebel and are from the Pilot group. He mentioned that complaint against them was made at the Rajasthan Assembly, and it is pending right now with the Assembly and the court, and therefore it is for them to decide how the matter is acted upon. It is quite apparent that the party wants to ensure that the rebellion is nipped in the bud, and the alleged attempts at horse trading are taken to task, because 2 cases have been registered which has names of Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, Sanjay Jain, who are BJP leaders, and also the party has acted against its own leaders, Vishwendra Singh as well as Bhavar Lal Sharma. But so far, no suspension as far as Sachin Pilot is concerned. What also has happened is that the Congress right now is claiming that there are contrary claims that have been made with regarding the number of MLAs that are inside. Certain leaders have mentioned that there are 109 MLAs that are inside, in fact, but the independent MLAs have maintained that there are 101 or 102 MLAs that are currently inside the State Assembly. The important development that is likely to happen today, later in the day, is the case that will come up in Rajasthan High Court at 1 o'clock regarding the Sachin Pilot Group's petition seeking quashing of Rajasthan Assembly Speaker's notice that was sent out regarding their absence from the CLP.
Right, here we're looking at action that's already been taken against 2 of those rebel MLAs. But what about the rest of the Sachin Pilot camp? All of them fearing for their position currently. Let's switch to Anand Patel. They're reporting from Delhi. Anand, take us through this swing of allegations there from the Gehlot camp, accusing Sachin Pilot and members of trying to topple his government by colluding with the BJP. And here Shekhawat also has been named, the union minister. In fact, they are pulling out proof, pulling out audio clippings, trying to validate their claims that they've been making all along, that Sachin Pilot is in cahoots with the BJP, trying to topple the government of Gehlot. Even though Sachin Pilot denied it time and again, here are details and audio clippings that have been sourced out by the Congress Gehlot camp.
Yeah, you're right, Nabila. You know, this is last minute pressure building from both sides. You see, the timing of the audio tapes is very crucial. It has come out at a time when the High Court is going to listen to the petition and the plea of the MLAs who have been served a notice by the Speaker at the behest of the CLP Chief Whip Mahesh Joshi. Now, this comes in at a time just before the hearing begins. So clearly, this is pressure tactics from the Gehlot camp and put more egg on the face of the MLAs who have turned rebellious. Now, the charges are very specific. The Randeep Surjewala presser clearly states out that these leaders, particularly he has named 2 leaders, Bhavar Lal Sharma and Vishwendra Pratap Singh, both ministers who were removed along with Sachin Pilot the other day. They have been accused of hobnobbing and trying to strike a deal with the union minister, Gajendra Singh Shekhawat. There are audio tapes which they have released, and they claim that it's there in the social media and released by media houses. But clearly, you see, if you look at the timeline, it is a clear pressure tactics. But on the other hand, if you look at the Sachin Pilot camp, they are maintaining that these audio tapes are edited. There have been, mishandling of the entire audio tapes, and they have been doctored. So clearly, they are trying to come clean, and they are saying that we have nothing said against the High Command. We have not defied any party diktat. The whip which was issued was not issued in when the House was running. So these are the pleas which they are taking. It will come up when the hearing begins at 1 p.m. But clearly, at this point in time, the options before Sachin Pilot are very limited, Nabila.
Absolutely,
the clear fact
Anand,
is that
we do
he
know...
spoke with the Peach.
Go on.
Yes, and the details which we have been able to take out clearly shows that Sachin Pilot is desperate to save the MLAs from an immediate suspension, which is very likely.
Undoubtedly, here the MLAs are mounting pressure on Sachin Pilot, because it is understood that if at all they face disqualification, then it's going to be quite tough for them to be re-elected or come back to power. It's not an easy task there at this moment.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.